Hello and welcome to ET Garage. This will be the sixth video I made on a playlist I have for Targa top repair. So let's get into it, I guess. What does that other YouTube channel say and all that good stuff. Okay, as you can see in the last video, I went ahead and bonded this with the panel adhesive that I used, and this stuff is rock hard now. I mean, that's some bulletproof stuff. I can't even pull it off this foam board, not by hands. I'd probably get it off with a screwdriver, and then it's just going to tear the paper off, and that stuff won't give itself. So it has a 4-hour clamp time and 60-minute sanding time, and it has a 45-minute work time. I could have easily taken this, unclamped this after 4 hours. I decided to call it a day though and just let it sit overnight. Definitely won't hurt letting it sit longer, as far as I know. And I gotta stop saying but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, unclamp this, and then start cleaning this up to get it prepped for paint. I gotta paint this. I gotta paint the trim pieces that go on the side, and basically once I get that done, put the headliner back in and then get ready to do the re-wrap on the vinyl. I'm taking this old vinyl wrap, that'll be in another video. So either check back on the channel, subscribe, like, share, you guys know the routine. So anyway, I'll go into that here in a little bit. Meantime, let me get this unclamped. Okay, it's all unclamped, and this baby is on there solid. Of course, the real test will be when I drive it and it doesn't fly off. But I did make some mistakes. I should have masked off this entire frame. This way, when I went and cleared the putty off, all I would have to do is afterwards peel the tape off. That being said, I also didn't get as good a squeeze out as I would like here. And it's just a little gap there, and I should have removed these felt cushions here. So I'm going to remove them. I'll get some more of these. They actually sell these in a kit for these, by the way, and some of the Corvette suppliers out there, or you can just go to your arts and crafts store or Walmart or wherever and pick up some felt material and use that. But that's where I made a mistake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, sand and prep all this surface, and then I'll put another bead here, especially along the front, because the front's the most important part. It's the most important part for leaks, and it's the most important part for as far as keeping your top adhered to it, because if the wind catches that in the front and rips it off, that would be bad. I seriously doubt that's going to happen with this. I did use just a little more than one tube. I wish I went just a little bit thicker. So anyway, you can learn by my mistakes, and I'm going to get to work and start sanding this, and then I'll go ahead and put another bead right across the front and all that good stuff. I didn't remove the brackets. I probably should have. I didn't feel like realigning them, and it doesn't seem like it's going to be a problem. So anyway, let me get to work. Okay, I'm about as done as I'm going to be. This stuff has a 60-minute, well, it has a 45-minute setup time, 4-hour clamp time, and 60 minutes for sanding and paint. So I only got to wait 60 minutes for the to set up so I can sand it and paint it. And while that's happening, I'll go ahead trim the paint. Go ahead and paint the trim pieces. I ain't gonna show that in the video. They're just trim pieces. If I had the money, I would, in time, I would just take them and have them repowder coated. This ain't it. I'm not trying to do like an all-out restoration on this. I just want it to look good, decent, and most important thing is be functional. In other words, secure. The top is secure. I don't have to worry about it flying off, and it doesn't leak, and there's no air leaks or water leaks and all that stuff. That's all I care about. And I'm saying again, but really, once this sets for 60 minutes, there ain't too much sanding to do, and then I'll blow it off, wipe it down, and give it a coat of primer, paint it, and hopefully I'll be done for the day. Then in the next video, I'll go ahead and do the vinyl wrap, or redo the vinyl wrap, whichever way you want to look at that. And that should be it for this top, I hope. I'm hoping to get it done. I was hoping to get it done this weekend. I don't know if I'm going to be able to or not, because next weekend it's supposed to get real hot again, and I have my transparent top on. I prefer this top on in real hot weather. This way I can crank the AC and the sun's not beating in my head. But anyway, let me go paint those pieces, and next time I get back to you, I should be priming and painting it and all that good stuff. It's not going to be perfect. Okay, as far as I'm concerned, I'm done. It's far from perfect. That being said, where I spray painted it, no one's ever going to see it. Even I go to car shows and stuff, and I don't think anyone's ever looked at my Targa top, you know, as far as the inside parts are. I wish I spent more time sanding the front part. Like I said, when it's installed in a car, you can't see it. When it's stored in the back of the car, you can't see it, except when you're taking it off and on. And if you're wondering what I used Eastwood Underhood Black, low gloss finish. This has like the perfect finish, in my opinion, of matching the original color, where it's not glossy at all. It's more of a flat finish, and a semi-flat finish, and it works really nice. So I'm going to end this video here. Next video will be the vinyl wrap and the finishing it up, the vinyl wrap. I'll put the headliner back in. I got to put those trim pieces back in. That's about it. That's it for today. Let's put it that way. So I want everybody to have a great day, and God bless.